Ay, nag-raptor ron ito mga ano mo yan, oh.
Look, this is moving.
May nag-comment naman na ito lang. Sorry. So, mainit.
What do you want me to build? This is Nicholas. Do you love it? I'll make it for you. What do you want me to build? First, what do you want me to build? The flower here. Oh, a police! A police station. I want to build a police station. Give me it.
Yung lalaro kayo nga.
Police station.
Gio, ganda laro kayo. Gio.
To have a police station? Police station? I will build the car. Give me it. Wait, I forgot. Can I destroy it? What? Can I destroy it? No. Why you say give me it? Because there's a police station. Give me it. Alright, I'm gonna make the pink house. What is this? Please don't build anything no big, okay? Oh, not big. If you build, it's going to be booming. Stay there. You need to help him.
Saan, Idol? Saan? Saan?
Here are some flowers. This one. You look from here. I'm going to the beach.
Saan? Saan? Di ba pag di ba 1,000 ba? 1,000 ano, bago makapag-live doon. Yun ako account eh. Kasi wala pa siyang ano, bago pa lang ito kasi. Yung account ko. Wala pa siyang ano. Ganyan lang. Diba dapat pag ano meron nakalagay na live dito? Live.
The baby is the lunch we can forget.
Ano pangalan nito yung?
Chance.
Chance?
Yes.
Nag-picture.
Yes, Chance. Let me build the pink and blue line. Ah, maganda na ito.
Hindi ka man? Ay, doon meron din yung Star Maker. Di ba? Yung Star Maker na kanta. Ayun, maganda pa. Star Maker. So, gusto ko din doon. Kasi, di ba? Puro kanta-kanta lang doon.
It's about here now.
Kahit saan, daming ano eh.
Again.
Uy! No, my dear! Tambol na. Hindi ka ako magpamana. The blood will come out in the mouth of Batia. Gusto mo yan? Masakit yan. Sakaway ka.
Let me build the ladder. Yeah.
Oh my God, meron ko. Sir Winston Rods, thank you for joining my membership. Good morning from Philippines. Thank you for joining. How are you?
Building something up here.
Ito na mag-comment siya.
What do you want me to
Ito naman
build?
sa video. Shout out guys to my new members.
How about a slide?
Winston Roads.
A water slide.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you for supporting my channel.
What color pink or blue? Pink or blue? Definitely not. It could be wet.
Hi guys, to my 18 viewers.